Hey there, YouTube. Today is Tuesday, the 26th of January 2021, and it is 4:28 in the evening, and I have come back to the St. Mary's Catholic Church here in Praha, established 1855 by that sign. That, of course, is the building right there. And a fellow watched my previous building, and he told video, and he told me that they had done apparently a lot of restoration work on this, I guess on the inside. And so I thought I'd just make a whole new video, just to look at any kind of updates. I don't know if you remember these or not. If you watched the previous video, this is a memorial to some World War II veterans that died in that area from here. So you can see it's kind of a pretty cool building, actually. And you can see in here, right there they are. Kind of give you a close-up of each fella and his name there. Right there. So what this is, a little stained glass right there, and on that side, kind of a vaulted ceiling. So that's what this is. Back there's just a statue in that thing, and of course they've got this gorgeous tree right here. That's absolutely beautiful, but this area's got absolutely gorgeous trees to it. Now, I didn't look too close at this school over here before, but let's go over there and take a look at that. Alright, so here I am in front of the school. You can see the whole thing there. It says St. Mary's School up there above the little columns here. We'll just go and take a look inside of it and see what we can see. Because this I did not do before. Let's see. Some wooden floors in there. Yeah, it's locked, so I can't get in it. Oh well. I tried. Windows are pretty dirty, so there you go. Just some regular chairs in there. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, I can't tell if it's even coming through. It looks black on this video, but if it ain't coming through, there's just some foldable chairs in there and a desk up there, and it looks like a couple of heaters. Let's see if that shows any better. Yeah, you see some. You see some of the chairs there. I can see now. There's some sort of a mural or something up on the wall. And there's curtains on that one, so you definitely can't see through that. So this is that. And so from this, you can see the side of that building there. Alright, so we'll go up and look at a couple other things, and then we'll head inside. Here you can see there's another little one of these buildings. And it too is a memorial to a few of the World War II fellas. Right there you can see. So there's that, and this is the same type of thing inside. Alright, hopefully that sun ain't too blinding for you. We're going over here and look at a couple of things, and then we'll head on in. So let's go do that. As you can see, they got that little statue there, and then they got a little waterfall full of water here. And they got a few flowers out here. January 26th, so not too shabby. Same thing over here. Okay. Then they got what's supposed to be Jesus on the cross there. There's actually a palm tree in between these two trees. Pretty crazy, huh? Yeah, I remember shooting those things before. Just about various things of when this was started and built and all that. So let's go over here and look at this stuff. So here you can see this building here. Same exact type of a thing. So there's that fella, his name and death date. See that PFC Rudolph Barta? And then this guy. And right there, Private Edward Spruch or something. September 7th, 44. And again, same thing. If I hold this up, we'll just do a 360. Alright, I'll show you the back of this. Alright, before we look at the back, I just want to show you this. I guess it's something to do with water. Looks like to me some sort of a well house of sorts. And then this house back here, that's behind the building, and you see there's a couple of palm trees there. But the thing I like about the back of this is the way that it's shaped. I think it'd been cool if the whole building would have been shaped this way. Got a train off there in the distance, so it might hurt my audio a little bit. But here, you see how this is sort of cut into about 6, you know, where it's kind of like so, around there. I think that's pretty neat way to see it. But anyway, let's head on inside now and see what we can see there. Alright, so you can see this is open now. It was closed. I was here 12 days ago to video this actually, but they had some sort of an ongoing service. There's the doors right there. And here, if I back up just a little bit, you see how tall that is. So let's go in and check it out. Alright, so you can see as we walk in here, we got these statues. This of course is supposed to be Jesus here. It's not, but it's supposed to be. Then off in this little room to the right. Yeah, they got these stairs here. Remember these from before? They're gated off, but be a pretty good view from up there, I would imagine. I got this big old, I don't know if that's a coat closet or what that is. But anyway, over on the, as you walked in, you come in the left. They got the same stairs that goes up. Then this thing here, and then this stained glass that they got. More pews back here, but we will go up this way, right through the middle. Now the floors look really, really, really nice, I have to say. I'm gonna go about right in the middle. Give or take, go in that sun. Let me go up high and do a 360. Right now I've settled on the floor, so we're going to let it do a 360 down here. 360 from up front here and get a good look at this. Some of the stuff that's up here in the front. Alright, so that's the right side. Let's go over here and take a look at the left side at the front. Alright, and then I'll do one last up here where the front and get up higher so you can maybe see a little bit better. Alright, so that'll about do it. Let's see, tell you what I will do, give you, I don't know how good of a look we can get at this, but alright, I believe that's it. So you can look at the original video. I'll try to link it in the description and then compare it to this one and see what other difference. I mean, obviously besides the first one was not 360, just regular thing, regular video. So that'll do it for this. So I will see you on the next video. Give this one a thumbs up and hope you liked it and all that good stuff. See you later.